Well, I liked how this turned out with the STP logo, the 76 logo, and the car ramps, but I wondered what else can I do with 3D printing to spruce up my Lego Mustang display. Well, I thought if I took a closer look at my Mustang, I might get some ideas of something else to add to my display through 3D printing. And of course, the Lego Mustang has the horse Mustang in the front. Well, maybe that might be something cool to find and design and print. Secondly, I saw the GT, Gran Turismo logo on the Mustang. And if we could find something like that, that might go well with the theme of the Mustang. Now, as we look at it, I'm not seeing the Ford logo, but of course, a Mustang is a Ford. So maybe we could find a Ford logo to go also with this. Let's try and find out. Well, this is how the Mustang turned out. I liked it. A really clean, crisp design. The same shape, the same design as the Mustang for the car itself. And this will go well with the design. Secondly, I found a logo for the GT, Gran Turismo, and printed the top in silver color and a blue backer for it so that it sets it off real nice. And this will go well. And finally, although we didn't find it on the car, of course the blue oval is part of any Ford display, and the white letters printed out and attached to a blue backer gave this a really great look as well for an added feature. Well, what do you think? Will this help? I hope you like this video. Please give us a like down below. And if you enjoy this channel, please support it by hitting the subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a great day.